Okay, so we made it to the Fiery Furnace here in Moab. And it's in Arches National Park in the beautiful state of Utah. And we got a special permit to do this hike, so we're super excited. And we're gonna head over there into these red rocks. It's about a 2-mile loop today. And right now it's about 92 or so outside, no shade, but it's a nice dry heat. And anyways, fun little adventure ahead. Okay, we're making it to the cavern here. It's a tight squeeze. Can Judah and Heidi make it? How you doing, Judah?
Good.
You doing awesome, buddy. Ooh. And Luke already made it. Lily's up there enjoying the views. Okay.
Look, it's just right here. You gotta climb up that step and...
We got lost a little bit here in the Fiery Furnace, but we found our missing arrows. And anyways, it looks like our magic staircase, which is gonna take us back home, is right around the corner here. So there it is. And that is the direction we want to go to get back to the car. We have about 45 minutes of sunlight left, so I'm very happy. Let's see if I can show one of these arrows. There it is. So this is the arrow you're looking for. If you haven't seen it yet, it's because they blend in pretty well. But keep your eye out for those.
I don't. Oh, my glasses out. You never see this.
All right. Okay, Team Drake is working together to get out of this maze known as the Fiery Furnace. Good thing Isaiah, Luke, and Lily have greater than 20/20 vision because they are spotting these arrows left and right. And that has been a big help. Okay, Lily, where's this next arrow?
The next arrow, it's down this way. You
All
follow
right,
the path.
show me the way. There it is. Boy, you guys have great eyes. Okay.
And there's also another one down there.
Fantastic. We are homebound. Whew. Praise God. Okay. I think we see the parking lot from here. And that is good because that would be the setting sun over there to the west. So there's the parking lot where our car is. And anyways, there's the Fiery Furnace behind me. It's a beautiful hike and we just really wanted to enjoy it by walking a few extra miles through those canyons.